Fed up with your Shopify store and want out? Alright, let's dive right into canceling your Shopify subscription. The first step is to log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're in, you need to get to the Shopify admin dashboard. Now that you're in your dashboard, you're going to want to navigate to your settings section. You can typically find this on the bottom left corner of the screen. Click the settings button, which usually looks like a gear icon. Next, within the settings panel, search for plan or billing. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on the Shopify version, but look for a section related to your subscription plan. This should be on the left sidebar. Click it. In the plan or billing area, you'll see details about your current subscription. Look for the Cancel Plan button. This is the key to ending your Shopify journey. Click it. Once you click Cancel Plan, Shopify will likely present you with options. They might ask you why you're leaving, or try to lure you back with offers. Carefully go through the prompts, which might include confirming your cancellation. You will need to confirm that you want to cancel. Congratulations, you've successfully initiated the cancellation process. Double check your email for a confirmation from Shopify to be sure. Remember to back up any data you need before canceling, as it might become inaccessible. Make sure to review your final bill to avoid being charged for the next billing cycle. Following these steps ensures a smooth exit.